Aspire Paver System. Installing Bullnose Pavers. When to use Bullnose Pavers. Bullnose pavers are typically used under a railing, where the side of the grid can be seen, if not covered up with bullnose. Bullnose can also be used for steps or in a resurfacing application. Two kinds of bullnose pavers. There are two kinds of bullnose pavers: bullnose with legs and bullnose with tabs. Bullnose with legs are designed to fit into the grid like any other paver. Bullnose with tabs do not have legs, so they can be placed anywhere needed on the grid. Bullnose with tabs have tabs that can use to attach the bullnose to the grid with screws. When to use bullnose with legs. Bullnose with legs should only be used with a straight rail, where you can start laying grids and pavers from the railing and then back to the wall. Adhesive installation. Once you have all your pavers in place, go back and adhere all pavers 16 inches from the perimeter with adhesive to keep the system tight. When to use bullnose with tabs. The bullnose with tabs are used when you have irregular or curved-shaped roofs. How to install bullnose with tabs. The lack of legs allow them to be put on top of the grid wherever needed. First, cut the grid to fit the angle, allowing for the 1-inch bullnose overhang. Place the bullnose on the grid. Place the pavers on the grid and cut pavers to fit. Adhesive installation. Once you have all your pavers in place, go back and adhere all pavers 16 inches from the perimeter with adhesive to keep the system tight. Installing around posts. When cutting around posts, it is important to use as much grid around the post as possible. You will want to hug the post and avoid cutting small pieces of grid. Cut pavers to fit around the post, and leave half-inch gap for paver expansion and contraction. If possible, install molding around the base. For more videos and information, visit us online at aspirepavers.com.